औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. Students, we are doing the topic division, which is unit number 6 of Macmillan 5B on page number 50. We have completed question number 1. Now we have to start question number 2. So let's do it. Question 2. A part is 18474 divided by 7. 18474 divided by 7. If we look at the first digit of our divisor, which is 1, first digit is smaller but our dividend is greater. So we have to take first two digits for the first division. 7 2 is 14. 4 will come down. 7 6 is 42. Once again subtraction. 2, 7 will come down. 7 3 is 21 minus 6. Now 4 will come down. 7 9 is 63. Remainder is 1. Answer is 18474 divided by 7 equals to 269. Remainder 1. This is A part of question number 2, page number 50. C part is 10938 divided by 8. Eight ones are 8. 2, 9 will come down. 8 3 is 24. 5, 3 will come down. 8 6 is 48. 5, 8 7 is 56. 2 remainder. Answer is 10938 divided by 8 equals to 1367, remainder 2. E part is 10384 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 4, 3 come down. 6 sevens are 42. 1, 8. 6 threes are 18 minus 4 will come down. Now you can see that there is only one digit, but we need 2 for the further division. 4 is smaller and 6 is greater. If we do 6 1 the 6, this is not possible. So we are going for 0. 6 0 the 0. 4 is remainder. 1 7 3 8 4 divided by 6 equals to 1 7 3 0 remainder 4. G part of this question is 103516 divided by 7 103516. 7 1 the 7 minus 3 7 4 are 28 2 5 come down 7 3s are 21 4 7 5s are 35 6 7 9s are 63 remainder 3. Answer is 103516 divided by 7 equals to 1435 remainder 3. Next part is I part. 602175 divided by 4. Four ones are 4. 20. 4 5s are 20. 2 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. Remainder 3. 602175 divided by 4 equals to 150,543 remainder 3. L part is 509433 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 ones are 5. 444, 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 5 6 are 30, remainder 3. 509 4 3 3 divided by 5 equals to 101 886, remainder 3. Remaining parts you have to solve by yourself. Page number 51, question number 3 is answer the following. A lorry travels a total of 1545 kilometers in 5 days. The driver traveled the same distance each day. How far did he drive each day? So to find out the distance traveled in each day, we have to divide 1545 with 5. A part is 1545 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. 4. Now 4 is smaller and 5 is greater, so we'll go for 0. 5 zeros are 0. 5 9s are 45. Remainder 0. Statement is driver covered 309 kilometer distance each day. You also have to write a statement at the end of the solution. B part of this question is 3 brothers have a market stall. It made 829 rupees profit in 1 month and they shared the profit equally. How much did each brother get? To find out the profit of each brother, we have to divide double 8 to 9 with 3 because the number of brothers is 3. Three twos are 6. 3 nines are 27. 3 fours are 12. 3 threes are 9. Each brother has shared rupees 2943. C part is a factory made 43,750 individual sandals in a year. How many pairs of sandals were made? To find out the pair, we have to divide individual number of sandals with 2 because pair means 2. Two to the 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 sevens are 40, 2 fives are 10. Factory made 21875 pairs of sandal in a year. Last part of this question is 10,540 kg of mangoes are packed into 5 kg boxes. How many boxes will be there? To find out the number of boxes, we have to divide amount of mangoes with 5. Five twos are 10. 5 ones are 5. 500. 5 eights are 40. There will be 2108 boxes of 5 kg mangoes. Students, also note down your diary. You have to solve question number 3 of 2 of page 50 on your new copy, and page number 51, question number 3 on your copies. You have to write the statements of each question also. Now, if you have any query, please raise your hands one by one to sort it out.